Pressure. Whether you know it or not, it's used with every action of every person, everywhere. Without pressure, there would be no anything. No air, no weather, no movement, no universe.
Pressure never didn't exist. It has been around as long as time itself. It is not a physical existing item. It is the exertion of force upon a surface by an object, fluid, etc. Scientifically, the findings into studies involving pressure are endless. It is one of those things where no matter how much research one does, they can always find something new and exciting about pressure.
To demonstrate pressure, we've built a bottle rocket using an old water cooler bottle. After the bottle is filled with water, it's placed onto the base. Pins are then placed through the base, through the handles in the bottle, to make sure that the bottle is secured to the base. Once the pins are in, then air can be added. Pressurized air from the air compressor goes up through the tube and into the air into the bottle. The water acts as a seal as the air becomes more pressurized. When the pins are pulled, all the pressure is released, and the bottle flies up to 150 feet into the air.
Scientifically, pressure is simply used to explain a kind of force. In this sense, it cannot really be proven or disproven. What can be argued is what controls that force that is referred to as pressure. In the world of science, it is just forces acting on things creating the other forces. Not many people argue against the existence of pressure. However, some people think it is just God's magnificent power.
As another demonstration of pressure, we shot an air-powered pellet gun at a pressurized spray paint can. When the can was punctured by the pellet, all the gases quickly rushed out and caused the can to shoot all over the place. Knowing that the gases inside of spray paint cans are flammable, we decided to add a flame. The results were explosive. Although it may not look like it, the fireball from the can does not throw out much pressure. Even though it may look like an explosion, only the gases escaping from the spray paint can are burning. The only pressure given off is the pressure coming from the can itself. For this reason, spray paint can explosions are perfect for use in low-budget films just like ours. We use them on a weekly basis.
Holy crap!
In conclusion, pressure is used in everyday life more than just about anything else. It is caused by forces pushing on other things, making other forces, and more than likely not just made directly by God's magnificent power. In other ways, pressure can be used as a very useful tool or as a destructive force for evil. Either way, pressure is unavoidable and important to understand to further grasp more in-depth science.